Hey, what's going on, guys? We are gonna change the cabin air filter in this 2018 Volvo XC90. Let's get right into it. You're gonna go to the passenger front right here, okay? Then we're gonna use this tool with a T25 bit on it. Gonna go right underneath here. Flip upside down. So here's like your glove box right here. Gonna go right down here. And then there is a bolt here. So if you're looking at it here and here, you gotta take off. So here we go. All right, one, then we'll do the other. All right, and we'll just save those. You're gonna pull this down. There you go, it just comes unclipped. There's a clip right there. You just pull it down and it comes right out. All right. Now, there is a clip here and a clip right here. All you're gonna do is turn them, boom, and boom, comes down, and there's your filter right there. Just kind of move this out of the way. They're kind of a pain to get out. It's not the best fitting, and there we go. So we got this, and then this is the way it gets put in back in there. So those arrows are pointed facing in. So I just replaced this anyways. I just wanted to show it to you. So we're gonna put it back in. So pretend this is a brand new one that I just got the packaging. I'll have a link to where I get mine, and then here we go. Just kind of reverse order it. There we go. Kind of hard to do with one hand here. Oh, come on. There we go. You just kind of wiggle it back up in there. Okay. And then I'm going to try to do this with one hand here. Okay. Go up there. Why aren't you going in? Come on. There we go. Now, clip back in, just make sure there's nothing loose there. And then back to putting this on. All right, the clip's holding it up, and then we'll put these two bolts back in right there. So I've got that one started, and then we'll do the other one right here, and it's going right there, right there. Sorry, there's not a lot of room, so, and then we're just gonna tighten it up. There we go. And we'll do the same for this one. And you're all set. Appreciate everyone coming out and watching this. Again, 2018 Volvo XC90. Have a good day. John's out.